Hi everybody! May here, back again with some plastic alternatives for you today, and this video's focus is all about toothpaste. So I have been making my own toothpaste at home for around 6 months now. I love it. My only disclaimer here is I still haven't been able to buy the ingredients without plastic. I know. However, my thinking behind it was if I buy the ingredients in bulk, I'm using less plastic as if I was buying tubes of toothpaste. But I'm still finding my way around it. It's still a learning process. Let me show you the recipe that I use. So I found this recipe for toothpaste in this book here, How to Live Plastic Free by the Marine Conservation Society, the UK one. And they have a really good homemade toothpaste, tooth powder recipe. That's what I follow. All you need is coconut oil, baking soda, bentonite clay, and peppermint oil. I was gonna make it for you, but I don't have any more coconut oil in the house. But I'll just show you kind of the other ingredients and show you the after product because I've still got loads of toothpaste left from my last batch that I made. So, bicarbonate of soda. I thought this wasn't going to come in this bag when I ordered it online, but it did. So just bicarb. You can get it in like more tub-like, which I think are more recycled, which is better than these bags. So go for bicarbonate in those kind of containers. You have to find yourself this really strange ingredient called bentonite clay. Now bentonite clay is an organic like mud kind of thing, and it helps to kind of take away all the bad smells that are in your mouth. It's very good at that, and adding some nice calcium to your teeth too. Adding calcium? I don't know if it can do that. Hang on, let me just check that fact. Bentonite clay contains calcium and binds to the bad bacteria around your teeth, tongue and gums to help remove them before you spit it out. So that's what bentonite clay does. And then coconut oil, which also helps to kind of pull out any nasty stuff in your teeth and makes them nice and white. And then I personally use a combination of peppermint oil and spearmint oil for that minty freshness. So you basically put them all into a bowl and mix it around and you'll get a paste. And this is the one that I've been using for a while now. This is my last batch that I made. It's a bit minging, but honestly it's really quite cool. And you basically just kind of brush a bit out, just like normal toothpaste. The thing that I found with this though is that it doesn't get foamy, but it still feels really clean after a brush. You'll get that minty freshness, your teeth will feel really nice and smooth. If you're not a fan of the coconut kind of flavour, or that kind of like oily sensation, which some people aren't who I've given my toothpaste to and let them try it, they don't really like that coconut oil-ness. Just use less of that and it'll be more of a powder than a paste. Now I said I've been using this for 6 months, and the true test came when I went to the dentist, and he didn't say anything. Didn't mention like, what toothpaste have you been using? Nothing. Which indicates to me that this toothpaste works perfectly fine. It still protects my teeth, still makes my gums strong and healthy and all that jazz that they look for. So it's not certified by dentists as such because it doesn't have fluoride in it, yet they didn't say anything bad about it. Okay, next I'm gonna show you some other alternatives to buying toothpaste in a tube, and one of them being the ones that you can get from Lush, the Toothtabs. I used these for a while before I started making my own, and I loved them. Really foamy, felt super fresh and clean after, and they come in like small tab kind of sizes, or you can get it as just powder. Only thing is it comes in a plastic bottle. This bottle is not made from virgin plastic, it's made from 100% recycled plastics, and you can recycle this and the top separately. So I guess that's good, but if you still want to avoid plastic altogether, there might be some other options out there for you. So something that I have recently, very recently come across is this. This is, I think, in Dutch, but basically it's a vegan toothpaste lollipop. I haven't really seen these in England yet, so I'm not sure whether you can get them in England or any other country yet. It's toothpaste on a lollipop stick, made by these guys called Lamazuna. I don't know, it's got a zebra on it, anyway. And you basically, as the instructions say on the side, you kind of brush your toothpaste on the bulk of it. I used this yesterday because I was just so excited to see what happens. And I've kind of found that as you like brush your toothbrush on it, kind of like splatters the toothpaste everywhere, and not a lot comes off very easily. You have to really kind of go for it, which makes it splatter even more, and still not that much on it. You can kind of start to taste it, and it's really minty, but it's got a really weird other kind of taste to it, which you might get used to, because it took me a while to get used to the homemade toothpaste, to be honest. So this was an interesting one. Let me know if you've tried this before and what you think about it. Yeah, I'm not too sure about it. It's a cool idea, it's a really cool idea, but I'm not too sure that the actual transition from lollipop to toothbrush is as easy as it could be. So you can either make your own toothpaste. There's lots of different ingredients and recipes out there. You've just got to Google it. Bit of a challenge to find the ingredients without plastic, but I'm sure something will come up soon. Also, you've got people like Lush who are making toothpaste in little tooth tab forms and powder forms, but again, they come in plastic bottles, but you can recycle them. And lastly, new kid on the block is this Lamazuna with their lollipop stick toothpaste. Just a few options for you there. There are plenty more out there, I know it. And hopefully this is giving you some more ideas on how you can further progress your plastic-free lifestyle. And that's all from me for this plastic review.